Bullish atom value expectation is $12.47 to $25.34. Cosmos cost could likewise reach $50 soon. Bearish atom cost expectation for 2022 is $8.55. In Cosmos Cost Forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about atom to break down the future development of the digital currency. Cosmos current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Cosmos is $11.08 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $252,404,899 at the hour of composing. In any case, atom has diminished by almost 8% as of now. Besides, Cosmos has a coursing supply of 292,586,163 atom. As of now, Cosmos exchanges digital money trades like Binance, BTCEX, OKX, Bybit, and Deepcoin. What is Cosmos? The Cosmos is a decentralized organization of free equal blockchains, each determined by BFT agreement calculations like the Tendermint Agreement. At the end of the day, the Cosmos is a climate of blockchains that can gauge and work on one another. Prior to the Cosmos, the blockchains were quiet and couldn't speak with one another. They were difficult to produce and could deal with few exchanges each second. Cosmos takes care of these issues with another mechanical vision. To comprehend this vision, we want to return to the fundamentals of blockchain innovation. Cosmos Value Forecast 2022. Cosmos stands firm on the 23rd foothold on CoinGecko at the present time. Atom cost expectation 2022 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time period. The rising triangle is a trademark example of a continuous bullish pattern. This triangle is framed by an even upper trend line that interfaces the highs and the lower trend line that associates the rising lows. Assuming the pattern breaks out at the opposition level, the cost will keep on climbing in this rising triangle design. At present, Cosmos is in the scope of $11.08. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of atom could arrive at the obstruction levels of $16.86 and $34.16. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of atom might tumble to $9.40 and $5.51. Cosmos backing and opposition levels. The diagram underneath shows the help and opposition levels of Cosmos. The diagrams show that Cosmos has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, atom could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $25.34. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Cosmos could fall to nearly $8.55, a negative sign. Cosmos Value Forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Cosmos is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of atom lies underneath the end line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Cosmos is displayed in the graph above. Eminently, Cosmos cost lies underneath the 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, atom has entered a negative state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of atom whenever. In the interim, the overall strength record of the atom is 43.91. This implies that Cosmos is almost oversold. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of atom might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Cosmos Value Forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record of Cosmos. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development and the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Cosmos. As of now, the ADX of atom lies in the scope of 26.833 and subsequently, it demonstrates serious areas of strength for it. The above diagram additionally addresses the general unpredictability record of Cosmos. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of atom lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Cosmos is at 43.91, hence affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of atom with BTC, ETH. The underneath outline shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cosmos. From the above graph, we can decipher the value changes of ETH and atom are moving in a comparable pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of atom additionally increments or diminishes separately. Cosmos Value Forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Cosmos could likely achieve $50 by 2023. Cosmos Value Forecast 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Cosmos could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Atom could mobilize to hit $55 by 2024. Cosmos Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Cosmos supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Atom would mobilize to hit $60. Cosmos Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Cosmos supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Atom would revitalize to hit $65. Cosmos Value Forecast 2027. On the off chance that Cosmos supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Atom would mobilize to hit $70. Cosmos Value Forecast 2028. In the event that Cosmos holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market, by driving critical cost rallies, Atom would hit $75 in 2028. Cosmos Value Forecast 2029. Assuming that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Cosmos, it would observe significant spikes. Atom could hit $80 by 2029. Cosmos Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy headways in the Cosmos biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Atom for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Cosmos could hit $85 by 2030. And, with constant upgrades in the Cosmos organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Atom. Hence, the bullish value expectation of Cosmos in 2022 is $25.34. Then again, the negative value expectation of Cosmos cost forecast for 2022 is $8.55. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the Cosmos biological system, the exhibition of Atom would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $44.45 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $50 assuming that the financial backers accept that Atom is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Cosmos? Cosmos is a cryptographic money intended to influence the blockchain climate. 2. Where might you at any point buy Cosmos? Cosmos has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, BTCX, OKX, Bybit, and Deepcoin. 3. Will Cosmos come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the Cosmos stage, Atom has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Cosmos? On January 17, 2022, Cosmos arrived at its new all-time high of $44.45. 5. Is Cosmos a wise interest in 2022? Cosmos is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital currencies this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Cosmos in the beyond couple of months, Atom is viewed as a wise interest in 2022. 6. Will Cosmos reach $50? Cosmos is one of the dynamic